Behind every smooth cut is equipment built to endure, and chains designed to keep production moving. That's why sawmills rely on chains engineered for strength, precision, and endurance. From log decks to conveyors, Jeremywell chains handle the toughest wood handling operations. Built to resist shock loads and wear, our chains keep your production line moving, cut after cut. Jeremywell, powering sawmills with reliable chain solutions that work as hard as you do.